Remember the first time that we fucked? You said we always and forever be in love, but then you changed and became such a slut. You cheated, got caught up in your lies. What? Then you come around again and say, Dante, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, a hoe is always stuck in her own ways. And I say, I hate you, don't love you, don't text me, I'm done. Do you really love that other guy? And I bet he can't really fuck you out your mind. So don't you crawl away to me on lonely nights. Cause I say I hate you, don't love you, don't want you, please die.
We are never ever getting back together. We are never ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never ever
We're never getting back together like an acid and a base. Maybe it's because you're clingy. Bitch, back up and give me space. The way you piss me off makes me wanna punch your face, but I can't and I won't. I'll just find my happy place. In the beginning it was nothing but laughing and happy thoughts, but towards the end I get this urge to just call you a fucking twat. But that's a past, that's behind us, and away from you I'm running. Now I'm done with you, bitch, so just keep that beat a-coming like
we are never ever getting back together. We are never ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never ever getting back together.
So I used to think you could be wifey. I used to think you could be my boo. And then she called me last night and she's like, Dante, I still love you. And I'm like, bitch, you know what you did. I don't want you. Giving a nigga herpes and shit. Fuck out of here.